Hello my friend, hello. This is the very fast and very good video. Why? Because this video about the if you change the clutch, install it clutch actuator, and you have the neutral is flashing and not stop flashing. What it means? It means that the clutch touch point of the clutch can't be calibrated. Why it happens? It's two reasons. Or you have some problem, no, three reasons. You have some problem with the clutch, or you have some problem with revolute sensor, or you just not install it right the clutch actuator. Why? Because maybe you have installed the clutch from manual gearbox. And what need to do, I will show you. Let's go. You see this Verso, but it fit, this tutorial fit for all of kind. I have installed the clutch, blah. Now I will do the learning, the calibration. As usual, I will make it via this stuff, this scanner, called wire, and let's go. Okay. And what we have? Flashing. Wow. And what to do? Huh? Wach. And look at this. So I turned ignition off. You see, clutch actuator. Yes, it's like all okay, but so need to remove it again. Remove the motor. By screwdriver, make that this will came out maximum. Look at this. You see? By the end you feel half of back, yes, and try to install it. And if you will see, look at this. And if you will see that you moving the clutch actuator to the side, I will show you. And you need to install it back and move it to the side, that this will no any gap. You moving and it stop, and you see it has gap, even 2-3 millimeters make some problem. So what need to do? It's not moving, there was a stop, so you need to remove it again Remove it again. Remove this nut. Install some washers, 2, 3, how much you need? Like this. You see? Like this. Install back the motor and install back the clutch actuator. So install back. Now move by your hand that it will no any gap, no any clearance with clutch fork. You hold it by your hand and tighten the bolts. You see, no gap. And now you do calibration again. Put the wire. Plus, minus, neutral. Oh miracle! It's working. You got it? Yes? Because it must be no gap. This can happen if you install the clutch from manual gearbox. And you need to adjust this no gap after 5-10,000 kilometers, because the clutch will wear out, but it's not, the clutch plate not has adjustment, self adjustment, so you need to do it by your hand. This is this option if you install the clutch from manual gearbox and you driving on this car. This safe. So that's all. Call me, message me. Yeah, I'm online.